what exactly is this airline about? Tell us.
South Air is actually a little like away from the
Normal airline?
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
So we are connecting the big stations, the big primary airports with the secondary one.
Acha.
Where people are having the airports, but they are not having access because other airlines are not operating there because these are the smaller areas.
Acha.
You talk about like
Gavadir and all, you think?
Gavadir, Turbat, Panjgur, then there is Multan, Faisalabad, Sialkot, Bhalpur. Luckily, Pakistan has more than 27 airstrips.
Oh.
You talk about all like tourism, like related areas of Pakistan, like Skardu, Chitral, then Gilgit, and then coming towards Sevan Sharif even, and Mohenjo-daro.
Yeah.
These all like places are having their own airstrips.
Acha.
So Pakistan has worked like
Mohenjo-daro का भी है, wow, I didn't even know that.
Exactly.
So how incredible is that ना? कुछ कितने लोग हैं जो कि actually ये एक requirement थी जो कि मीट नहीं की जा रही थी और लोग कितना स्ट्रगल करते थे इस वजह से. So वो एक होता है ना, आपको एक जगह या एक एरिया मिल जाता है जहां आप कैपिटलाइज कर सकते हो.
Absolutely.
तो ये वही चीज़ है.
Absolutely.
अच्छा, मुझे अक्सर इस चीज़ पे सवाल है कि ATR प्लेन्स
जी.
लोग बहुत घबराते हैं
ऐसा
राइट
ही
उन पे बैठने से. I've sat in one and I think most of us have at some point in our life we've had to. So what do you say about the safety?
In terms of ATRs are actually, this is a sister concern of Airbus, right?
Acha.
And like US is having a big fleet of like ATRs at the moment, which is flying there, and US is like more concerned about the safety or the standards which they are following at the moment. Likewise, the aircrafts which we are holding, they are EASA compliant.
Acha.
So from there you can see the European standards which are like getting met by ATRs. These are something which are flawless.
Yeah, flawless.
So we are also having like 2 ATRs at the moment. We are
Acha.
starting our operations with it.
और हम दो ATR से शुरू कर सकते हैं. कोई एयरलाइन एक एयरक्राफ्ट तो
Exactly.
शुरू होती भी नहीं है वैसे.
नहीं, बिल्कुल.
How lovely is that?
So you need
अच्छा,
to
तो
have
अगर
an
मेरे पास दो
alternate.
ATRs हो तो मैं एक एयरलाइन खोल सकती हूँ.
That's something, yes, exactly.
I would love that, you know.
So-
अच्छा, so tell me a little about the north wale areas. That's where my interest lies.
ATR is pretty good for that,
Yeah.
and we are targeting to connect Karachi with Skardu, likewise Lahore with Skardu, and Islamabad with Skardu.
How nice.
So it is like Gilgit and Chitral is also very good for that. So
Acha.
we are connecting all these areas which are for tourism purpose,
Yeah.
and likewise there are socio-economic routes too.
अच्छा.
So for socio-economic routes, you talk about like all the Balochistan, गवादर है, तुर्बत है, पंचगूर है इसमें, कोयटा है. जैसे अब गवादर का डेफिनेटली जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट है
Yeah.
सी पैक का, वो भी जो है वो फ्लरिश होता हुआ नजर आ रहा है.
Inshallah, yeah.
There are so many like multinationals which are working over there. So many foreigners are there. Forces की movement है. So
है.
there is actually traffic which needs to be
और ये
covered.
बेसिकली अगर आप देखो तो ये हमारी बेसिकली अंडरसर्व्ड
Underserved है.
रीजनल सिटीज हैं और इनको यू नो ज़रूरत है कि ये रीजनल कनेक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए. सो आई थिंक दैट्स गोना मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस. अच्छा, मैंने ये पढ़ा है कि आप लोगों ने रिसेंटली एग्रीमेंट साइन किया है पाकिस्तान स्टेट ऑयल के साथ, जिसका बेसिकली मतलब ये है कि हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि शायद टिकट प्राइसेस लो हों और इतनी यू नो काफ़ी दफ़ा होता है ना कि आपके एयर फेयर्स चेंज होते रहते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्यूल प्राइसेस.
Yes.
टेल अस अबाउट दैट.
Exactly, there is fluctuation.
अच्छा.
Almost like 100% prices increase हुई. Last जो ये war era था हमारा
Yeah.
इसमें, अभी भी इसमें टिकट में, लेकिन आपको इतनी प्राइसिंग हाई एंड पे नज़र नहीं आएगी एयरलाइंस की तरफ से. लेकिन due to the like government budgets and all those things, again the prices were reduced but not at that level. So still yes, that is there.
मगर
The
अंदाज़न
impact is
अगर-
going to be there.
ओके, बट निशात अगर मैं आपसे अंदाज़न पूछूं कि लेट्स से मुझे जून 9 या जून 10 को कराची से स्कर्दू जाना है, काश तो छुट्टी मिल जाए, तो आप मुझे बताएं मुझे टिकट कितने का पड़ेगा?
It is very
South Air
economical,
का?
like 22,000.
अच्छा, और अभी जहाँ तक मुझे पता है एक और एयरलाइन का तकरीबन 60,000 था.
ऐसा ही है. आप कराची
ठीक है?
कोयटा ट्रेवल करिए, it's 90,000 some like other airlines are offering at
और
that
मैंने
moment.
60 जब पढ़ा तो मैंने सोचा मेरा घर बहुत अच्छा है, मुझे घर में ही रहना चाहिए, बिकॉज यू नो आई थिंक दिस इज रियली गोना बी अ गेम चेंजर.
Exactly.
ठीक है, तो हम लोग बेसिकली कनेक्टिंग प्लेसेस लाइक गवादर, तुर्बत एंड स्कर्दू कर रहे हैं, मगर एयरपोर्ट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की क्या सिचुएशन होएगी? क्या ये सिटीज़ प्रिपेयर्ड हैं आप लोगों के स्केड्यूल के लिए, आप लोगों के अराइवल के लिए? लाइक मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि मोइंजो-दारो का एक एयर स्ट्रिप भी है, एंड देयर 27 ऑफ दीज.
Yeah.
आर दीज प्लेसेस प्रिपेयर्ड टू वेलकम साउथ एयर?
या
or
एग्जैक्टली
support?
देखिए हमने जो ये एयरक्राफ्ट की सिलेक्शन की वो भी इसी एंगल से की है
Yeah.
कि वो एयरक्राफ्ट वहाँ पर लैंड कर सके टेक्निकली.
अच्छा.
I can't take their jets. I
Yeah.
can't take their like the big aircrafts, A320 or some other, because that airstrip is not suitable for that.
Acha.
So selection of this aircraft is not only because of the number of passengers which I'm going to have from there. It's also because of the airport infrastructure.
Ah, of course.
So we need to see that connectivity over there.
Yeah.
कि इसका भी balance एक हमें technically देखना था.
Nice.
I can like have A320s right away.
Yeah.
2-3 birds can be like there in my fleet. But the thing is this, that it's not gonna be fit in my project.
Ah, I get it.
Right.
अच्छा, so I want to know कि जिस तरह नई जब एयरलाइंस लॉन्च होती हैं, there's a lot of them. I don't want to name a few. अभी recently एक दो हुई थी जो कि बहुत ही ओहो पता नहीं क्या हो गया, you know, मतलब मैं तो स्पेस में चली जाऊंगी शायद, इतनी कोई अमेजिंग. And then जब परफॉर्मेंस की बात आती है, वो परफॉर्मेंस doesn't live up to the name. So I often wonder कि जो South Air is now launching, right? इसमें in-house in the aircraft, what kind of in-flight services क्या होंगी हमारी, and what's the situation going to be, कितनी air hostesses होंगी, क्या होगा?
So हमने इसको बहुत अप टू द मार्क रखने के लिए हमने जो क्रू इंगेज किया है वो यूरोपियन है.
Okay,
so फॉर लाइक फ्रॉम सेफ्टी एंगल हमारा जो मेंटेनेंस का सेटअप है वो भी यूरोपियन है. EU विंग्स को इन्वॉल्व किया हुआ है इसमें. हमने पार्टनरशिप इंडस्ट्री में उन लोगों से की है जिनकी ऑलरेडी इसमें एक्सपर्टीज हैं. सो रादर देन क्रिएटिंग समथिंग ऑफ लाइक योर ओन सेल्फ, आप खुद अपने वो करें. आपने मार्केट से जिसमें एक्सपर्टीज है, यू कैन जस्ट प्लग इन दैट इनटू योर एयरलाइन एंड जस्ट गेट the best services from the market.
Nice.
So this was actually the business model of this airline.
Wow.
So we are coming up with all like best market vendors on that. So you'll see that difference.
You'll see
definitely.
that. Okay, yeah, absolutely. I really do want to see it. अच्छा, and आप लोग hiring भी कर रहे हो? So like we're looking for cabin crew. Are we looking for customer service? Are we looking for the maintenance and all of these sort of things?
Yeah, exactly. We are looking for cabin crew. We have already appointed,
अच्छा.
and we are having some.
लोग किस तरह अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जो आपको देख रहे हैं? Maybe
हमारी वेबसाइट पे जो है लिंक इसका मौजूद है. लोग वहाँ पर जाके अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. उसके साथ LinkedIn पे भी हमारा प्रोफाइल है. So people can come there and they can visit and they can drop their CV over there as well.
Yeah.
So that's something which we are doing. And
ठीक है. I want to talk a little about the challenges you faced as launching this airline. कहाँ face हुए? कहाँ government was supportive? Where it wasn't supportive? How?
मुझे लगता है कि my story is just like all other women who are there in Pakistan.
Of course.
They are having a lot of challenges they are facing at the moment, and but they are like very ambitious as well at the same time.
हार नहीं मारती.
हाथ नहीं मानती हैं. हमारी औरतों में ये खास
तभी
बात
तो
है.
इधर पहुंची नहीं है.
तभी यहाँ तक पहुँच भी जाती हैं. If I start from myself, yes, exactly. I have started from like very like low level, and then I've reached to this point now today.
Oh, do tell us about your journey as well, and
definitely,
if you want.
Definitely, I will share that. So, for airline industry, there are a lot of challenges are there, of course. So many like ministries are involved, and the way they are like performing and all. Unfortunately or fortunately, yes, there is a very like strong role of bureaucracy as well.
Of course,
which we face
बहुत है.
बहुत ज़्यादा है हमारे यहाँ. और उस चीज़ को cater करने के लिए भी आपको you need to have a good like stamina to like deal with such things.
हिम्मत भी चाहिए.
So sometimes even I think when I go through, because I've worked with a lot of ministries on my other projects as well, where I've like worked with like MOD, I have worked with SECP, I have worked with the Ministry of Education even. So but this one was actually challenging. This was.
और मतलब इतने सारे मुश्किल काम करने के बावजूद अगर आपको ये बहुत चैलेंजिंग लग रहा था, तो उसमें क्या ऐसे चैलेंजेस थे जो मीट कर लिए और नहीं भी किए, और जो कर लिए उसके बाद क्या सैटिस्फैक्शन फील हुई?
Technically, yes. First is I think the frameworks which are there behind the policies. They need to be like more refined. They need to be more like particular, because aviation is not something like other industries. Risk factor is higher in this one.
Very high, yeah.
So we need to like take care of all these things. As the like regulatory bodies expect from the airlines that they should be like having 100% compliance. Likewise, we are also having some like expectations from their side.
Of course.
So that they should be performing too. So yeah, that was there. Regulatory was actually
was a big issue.
It was.
Acceptance was an issue.
Yeah.
Achha, and what about the pilots that you guys are hiring as well? Are they going to be European also? क्या वो लोग भी बहुत well, you know, are they familiar with mountains में चलाना भी scary है, you know, कितनी दफ़ा स्कर्दू चले गई, बचपन से स्कर्दू जा रही हूँ, मगर अभी भी जब पहाड़ों को आप देखते हो और वो ATR जब जान से हिल रहा होता है तो आपकी एक सेकंड के लिए आप आयत की कुर्सी पढ़ रहे होते हो कि या अल्लाह सब सही रहे. So tell me, safety.
So we are having a very good combination of like our own like pilots from Pakistan who has already like served
Done
in those
those
areas.
routes.
Yeah, exactly. And
Zabardast.
likewise, we're having Europeans. So because my like both aircrafts are like wet lease and they are like EASA compliant.
Acha.
So we are having crew from Europe. So
Acha.
they are like some are like from Italy, some are like from Lithuania, and likewise.
Yeah.
So they are having good expertise on that. And then we also do route familiarization for
Acha,
them.
you do.
Yeah, exactly. So my own local pilots are also there. Those
Acha.
who are like pretty good at ATR one, and then on these routes as well. Second,
Acha,
their
how
expertise
lovely.
are from there.
How lovely is that? अच्छा वैसे एक चीज़ है कि ये जो हमारी रूट्स हैं कराची की, I've always wanted to interview a pilot who has actually flown from Islamabad to Skardu. Because अगर आप online देखो तो BBC वगैरह पे भी है, बाकी channels में भी है, and many documentaries about this being one of the most scenic flights.
It is.
और मेरा तो एक है कि मैं इंटरव्यू करूं एक पायलट को जो कि वो खूबसूरत तरीके से बोल रहे होते हैं कि गाइस इफ यू लुक टू योर राइट तो यहाँ पे ये माउंट एट ग्रैंडर्स कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं, 8 माउंटेन्स, देयर इज अ नेम फॉर इट, जो हमारी हाईएस्ट पीक हैं पाकिस्तान की. So do you think that we could perhaps have one of your pilots later
Definitely.
to come and interview with us?
Absolutely.
Maybe
We'll
for
have-
Pakistan Day.
Yeah, of course we
I
can.
would
we can
love
invite.
that.
We
I
can
would
have.
love that. I would love that. अच्छा, anything else that you want to share about, this airline? कि हम tickets किस तरीके से book करा सकते हैं? Agencies के through होंगे, online होंगे, कैसे होगा?
Absolutely, we are having actually multiple channels for it. The
Acha.
way people are comfortable, they can come up with that. Website is there. You can like book your ticket over there.
Yeah.
And then we are having our own sales agents as well in the market. The way
Acha.
you usually like you can just tell your like sale agent that you need a ticket from South Air, so they'll book it for you.
They'll book it for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, how
So-
lovely is that? और luggage
so-
कितना allowed है? कुछ
it is-
airlines में तो आपको मना करते हैं ना कि आप अलग से पैसे दें luggage के.
Absolutely. Then they call themselves as budgeted airline
Budget
as
airline.
well. Budgeted airline as well. I think you should not saying something which
Yeah, which you're
वो
not
claim
clearly
ना
living,
करें
हाँ.
आप, वो claim ना करें market में. So likewise, yeah, definitely you can take like around 20 kgs.
20 kg.
20 kgs is something
अच्छा.
which you
20
can take.
kg is good.
Yeah, absolutely.
How lovely. सुने मैं तो
20.
मतलब mentally prepared हो गई हूँ अब जाने के लिए. जैसे ही 8th को launch होगा, 9th को मैं निकल रही हूँ.
Inshallah, we'll take you to Skardu.
Thank you so much. Yes, please do. Nisha, thank you so much for being here. बड़ा अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके.
Same here.
And I'm wishing South Air airline all the best.
Thank you so
And I
much.
really hope कि आप लोगों के operations successful हों and you get exactly the target and वही vision आप लोग meet कर पाओ. And it helps overall, not only the quality of life of people,
Absolutely.
also our economy and overall as well, right?
Definitely.
Thank you so
Definitely.
much for being
Thanks to you.